Today we're at Yimi Sport. We took some of the lessons learned from Super Lap Battle back in November, and we're applying to the car now. So when we went off, this bent, hence our splitter level, a little bent. We don't really know if this side's bent as well as this side. We're just guessing that that side's all the bend.
And cracked.
And cracked, yeah, it's also cracked too. Essentially, we had some flat panels on the car with the flat bottom that didn't bend so well. So basically, we're going back through. We're changing some L brackets to U brackets. We're reinforcing some things. We're adding some, moving some. Carl from Visionary Performance is going to be doing all the work underneath the car, getting all that taken care of. Me and TJ are going to go up on top of the car, and we're going to be putting in the power steering pump, hooking up some lines, and then getting that all prepped up so the motor's going to be ready to go. Our new IHE block is going to be ripping and raring to go, and then hopefully we're going to get the new fire lock set up from IHE in time for COTA. So Carl, explain to us what exactly you're doing and why you're doing it.
Basically, building a bracket for the center support of the flat bottom panels that we have on the car. That's what happens when your wheel is fucking too small. Time attack out at Buttonwillow, we had a little issue with a little flexing in the center panel right here, where it was actually the air going under the car was sucking it down, and so the panel was scraping the ground and actually split apart in our carbon fiber center panel. So this time we made one out of steel, and we actually made a U bracket that goes across from one side to the other, instead of just before we had a bracket that went across right here with one bracket hanging down out of the middle, and it just wasn't strong enough.
That's why welding takes practice.
Actually, do one more little spot on the top to make it stronger, right here.